All right. So the way that you can make awesome pictures for Amazon is by using a tool that it's called clippingmagick.com. So you go into clippingmagick.com and you will upload the image from your computer that you want to upload. So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna select that picture there. All right, so we're gonna click on got it because we know already what we are going to be doing. And then you see that you've got a green and a red button there, a plus and a minus. So right now I want to keep the green one because I'm telling the tool that this is the area that I want to keep. So I'm just gonna go ahead, making sure that I'm not going out of the corners. So once I've done that, I want to see sometimes it just recognizes it without going really into the details. So I am going to just go around it. As you can see, it's finding the borders already. There you go. And then I'm going to do the same down here. And let's see if we can go a little bit closer to make sure that it recognizes these corners here. So when it doesn't recognize them, then you're going to go a little bit closer. As you can see on the other side, it's taking them off. All right, seems like it is working now. So I'm going to try and remove this little bit too. And you can see that I've gone too close now. So what you're going to be doing now is using the rubber and you're going to remove that bit that I've just done. So it's recognizing that corner there. I'm going to delete it all and I am going to use the green one to tell the tool that I'd like to keep that bit. All right. Okay, so let's try now again with the red part. And let's see if we can get any closer without going too much into it. So you can see there, we're gonna put the different background right now. So let me see if I can move this out of the way. And we want the white background. And as you can see, the listing is already coming up really clear. But from this side, you can see that I've gone a little bit too much in again. So I'm just gonna delete the red patch there and hopefully it's going to readjust itself. So we got the full pattern there. Let's see if I can do the same here. There you go. And a little bit there. I'm gonna delete that all. And I'm gonna start again with the red part just close there. All right, so grab a little bit of red there. And this is just a shadow, so it depends on what you want to be doing. You could actually leave that because what I'm trying to be working on is actually the shadow of the product itself. However, if you want to go a little bit closer, that's how you do it. So you're gonna click there like that, and again it goes a little bit too inside because it's not recognizing the edge in here because it's actually the shadow. And I'm going to delete that red spot there. And I'm going to leave the shadow. So now the product is nearly ready. What I'm going to be doing is clicking download. And there you go, that's the product. Let's load it. Download it. Download the results. I'm going to put it into my desktop. And I'm going to call it baby headband support for Amazon. All right, so I'll do that and I'm gonna save it into my desktop, and that's how you create a perfect image with a perfect white background that you can upload into Amazon. That is if you haven't got all the gear that you need, but to begin is a perfect tool to start, and you can get great pictures. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye-bye.